let's go over some of the editing tools available in the Graphic Display Editor. I'll drop a schedule object on the graphic and select a button with a schedule icon. This will give us something to work with. This button will open the schedule object in the schedule editor when it is clicked. When a gadget is selected, it will be surrounded with a yellow dashed line and 4 handles. These handles can be clicked and dragged to resize the gadget. Clicking and dragging anywhere else on the selected gadget will move it. To move it more precisely, use the arrow keys, which will move it by 1 pixel at a time. Hold down the Control key while using the arrow keys will resize the gadget by 1 pixel at a time. Holding the Shift key while dragging a gadget will restrict its movement to vertical only, while holding the Alt key will restrict it to only horizontal. Almost all changes made in the editor can be reversed by clicking the Undo button. And you can click the Redo button to go back to the state before the undo. Keep in mind that the Undo feature uses a group undo format. This means if you move something 3 times in a row, clicking Undo will reverse all 3 moves at once. Let's add a couple more buttons to show how to work with multiple selected gadgets. I'll add a button to view the trend log, and another button to edit the holiday calendar. To select multiple gadgets, click and drag a box around them. This will select any gadget that touches the box. Now all of the selected gadgets can be moved as a group. They can also be resized together. Notice that the buttons do not line up with each other, and one of them is farther away than the others. This can be easily fixed with the alignment tools. First, we can align them vertically by aligning their tops. Then space them equally horizontally. Now they are perfectly aligned with each other. The alignment tools will also align gadgets in columns, or center one or more gadgets in the window. There are also sizing tools. I want to see what the buttons will look like a little smaller. So I'll make one of them smaller, select all 3, and use the sizing tools to resize all of them to the smallest among them. Now let's move them a little closer together. And double check to make sure everything is still aligned properly. This should make the graphic display seem less cramped. If you ever wish to select all of the gadgets in the editor, hold the Alt key and press A. This is also useful just to see where all the gadgets are located. One final note, you can press Escape to cancel a move or resize as long as you're still holding the mouse button down.